as you will simplify x, which is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1, I am leaving it for you. As you will simplify, after simplification, it will come what I am telling you, point out, it will come 2 minus root 3. Do yourself. Time to time I have done it. Y root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1, it will come 2 plus root 3. Do yourself. Now put these values. Now x square plus y square, x it is what? 2 minus root 3 plus y square 2 plus root 3. Now it is of the type a plus b to the whole square plus a minus b to the whole square. What is the formula? 2 times a square plus b square. So since we know that a plus b to the whole square plus a minus b to the whole square, it is 2 times a square plus b square. So here a stand for 2, b stand for under root 3. So put the values. What you will get? 2 times a square means 2 square plus b square means root 3 square. This is 2 square 4, root 3 square it is 3. 4 3 7 multiplied by 2 it will be 14. This is the answer. Students, I am leaving this thing for you. You have to do yourself. Easily you can proceed my ways. How? Telling you can take in hints. This can be written as x square plus y square plus xy. Students, the value of x square plus y square is already here. What is this? 14. And here xy, I means multiplication of this. See, this is the reciprocal of this. If you multiply a number by its reciprocal, always you will get 1. So xy is 1. Do yourself. So what will this? This is 14 plus 1. It will come 15. Do yourself. And the final and last question, which is very important for the competitive exam student, I am telling you. See, what is it? Find the value of this 3 plus 2 root 2 and root 3 minus 2 root 2. This number, this 3 plus 2 root 2 is given here and we have to find out its square root. So, if by somehow we are able to convert this number as a perfect square number, so easily we can find out. See how, telling you the way. Point out. This can be written as here 2 root 2. 2 into root 2 into 1. Can we write? Say yes. See, 2 into root 2 into 1. Finally it is 2 root 2. And see here, we can note down instead of 3, we can note down it is 2 plus 1. Am I right? And you know 2 is the perfect square of root 2. 1 is the perfect square of 1. And this is here 2 into root 2 into 1. If you look clearly, it is of the type a square plus b square plus 2ab. What you will get? A plus b to the whole square. So what do you have now? Root 2 plus 1 to the whole square. So what will be the square root of the square of this? Easily we can get root 2 plus 1. Hence the value of this, it is root 2 plus 1. Similarly you can do this. Do yourself. In this way student, you have seen I have discussed all the type of the problems. Students, now keeping all these discussion in your mind along with the concept of rationalization of the denominator, concept of conjugate of an irrational number and concept of rationalizing factor, you can solve all these type of the problem. And students, there will be a big use of this concept in every of the senior secondary and higher secondary classes. So always keep in your mind to this concept. Whenever you see in the denominator an irrational number, always you have to proceed with the help of rationalizing factor and rationalization of the denominator, you will be able to get your required and meaningful answer. Well students, I hope all of you are perfectly satisfied, and whatever the question you have to do the practice by yourself. Thank you. To get more notification, all of you like and subscribe my channel Mathematics Adda. Thank you very much.